decades, we've been patching and updating to fix bugs and add features and capabilities. But as cybercrime industry has literally blown up into a multi-billion-dollar industry, the bad guys are constantly finding new and faster ways to get to you and your money. And operating system patches, it seems, have become a lucrative attack vector.
So starting with the mindset and philosophy of securing everything and everything needing to be updated, and think about it holistically, and like not just think of a point system or operating system, or I just need to do these devices. It's across the entirety of your environment, your entire infrastructure and stack.
It's more than just operating system updates. It's hardware updates, it's firmware updates, right? And take that a step further for your operating system updates, it's keeping your operating systems up to date so that they're supported and receiving updates.
You have to have an auditing and monitoring policy that identifies, patches, needed patches. You have to set a policy time frame for remediating those patches. So we like to say, critical and high patches need to be applied within 5 days, medium and moderate within 60 days, and then low priority patches as needed.
You have to be prepared, always vigilant, and always prepared to make sure that everything is up to date.
The good news, it's not too hard to ensure those patches and updates are happening, especially if you partner with MSPs like Tech on Purpose to automate and execute using partnerships like we have with all the folks that are represented here today.